Let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm bringing you another video. We're going to be talking about my 1.5 year locked so far. So if you have not watched my previous videos, go ahead and check them out. But basically we started in June, so here we are. A year and a half, probably would have been more so like last month. My hair, as you can see, sort of freshly retightened from last Friday. So this is now a week after being retightened, and you know, it's giving length, definitely giving length. So far the journey, I love. I definitely can see that they're dropping each time that I go. You know, we getting length. Okay, I didn't even know we was getting down there, y'all. We getting a little length, but the shrinkage is still real as per usual. I think the biggest difference that I have seen with my hair would be the fact that it's dropping, but definitely getting thicker. So I appreciate that. Thicker at the ends, and it'll be like basically from here to here that they are definitely like, we are alive and well. I feel like this is the stage where I'm getting the most length in my hair, like easily. Like at first it'd be like, what's everybody talking about with this length? But at this stage, I think because they are locking more so, that at first, you know, they start off locking like here, like, oh, it's thickening up. But now the further that I can tell where the thicknesses in the locking is going, the more I have to watch what type of like jacket I throw on, because I'll be looking around like, why I gotta take all this lint out of my hair? So I have experienced some itchiness that could be due to the weather changing. We've been out here in Georgia on super winter time, like 1 inch of snow, 2 inches of snow. You know, Georgia always be flexing, talking about we gonna get snow, it's gonna be cold, la la la. But it really has been. So I don't know if that's affecting my scalp as well. Not that I'm outside all day, but sometimes when I do Instacart, actually, yeah. So maybe, possibly. I had COVID, y'all. I had COVID, so I had to miss out on a whole 2 months of getting my hair retightened, because I just wanted to be safe and not be out here spreading, you know, Omarion in these streets. But back to the hair. I can give y'all 360. I would say my edges are doing a lot better than they were before. When I first got them done, I felt like they was hanging on by a thread, like literally hanging. I think the back now is a little bit on the thinner side, as you can see. But then you see how thick this one is. It's like, ooh. I just have learned that each lock has a mind of its own, literally all individual. Some of them like, ooh, I'm finna, you know, lay down. Some of them like, nah, we finna stick up unless you go ahead and spray us out with this water. I would say from the beginning until now, there is definitely a major difference in outside of growth, but in the locking, mine are locking at more of a slower pace than what I expected, and that's fine because of course I still like them. I think it's definitely a day-by-day thing, but it's really cool to see how they're changing over time. For example, if y'all go look at my other videos, we was not this thick. We were not this big, you know. So I see them on their way to becoming fully locked, and my ends as well are getting like a little bit straighter. They're not as curly as they were in the beginning. Crazy to see this transformation though, but they are not as curly as previously before. It's like they low-key look, you know how when you had loose natural hair you got like heat damage? That's kind of what they were, the ends remind me of. But I know that they are just locking up. Oh, throughout this journey I've had, I think, a couple of locticians, because the one loctician that I am under, she has people that work under her and they have come and gone, and I'm hoping that I end up staying with one in particular. But you know, life happens, things happen, and they still providing the professionalism and being on time, and you know, making sure that everybody is still getting their retightening done. So I'm not super complaining or super tripping. as long as I can get them done. I'm gonna do a 360 real quick. I don't know if y'all ever seen my grid. I don't know if y'all ever seen my grid, but here it is. I feel like my hard work of, you know, making sure I keep my edges oiled and the castor oil in my scalp is paying off. It's paying off, y'all. It's paying off. I am proud of where they're going and on the way to. If you've been with me for this whole journey or you're just now joining us, I appreciate it. And I love the fact that you're watching. If you've been thinking about getting sister locks, you might as well get them. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.